Traction-related issues in Little Cottonwood Canyon. Utah's mountain highways, particularly Parley's Canyon, I-80, Big Cottonwood Canyon, SR 190, and Little Cottonwood Canyon, SR 210, experience significant snowfall in winter. Many vehicles, especially commercial trucks, are unprepared and fail to install chains or traction devices. This leads to frequent traction-related incidents, including disabled vehicles, safety hazards, and traffic delays, all of which impede snowplow operations and reduce the reliability of the highway system. Problem: poorly designed chain-up locations, insufficient locations. Existing chain-up areas are limited in number and may not be strategically placed where traction issues most commonly arise, e.g., before steep sections. Size and visibility. Many chain-up areas are too small to accommodate multiple vehicles or are not clearly visible to drivers, especially in low visibility conditions, for example, during snowstorms. Access issues. Steep ramps and tight shoulders make it difficult for large trucks to safely enter or exit chain-up areas. This discourages compliance and increases the risk of accidents. Inadequate shoulder size, shoulder space, but on opposite side? Practices in other states dedicated, paved pullouts with ample length. Instead of relying on standard shoulders, states like Colorado, CDOT, and Washington, WSDOT, build dedicated, extra-wide pullouts, specifically for chaining up. These are long enough to accommodate multiple semi-trucks and are located before the steepest grades or most hazardous sections. Concrete pads with lighting. Oregon, ODOT, has installed specialized chain-up areas featuring concrete pads, which shed snow and ice better than asphalt and high-intensity lighting. This greatly improves safety for drivers working on the ground at night and in poor weather. Proposed improvement: expand existing chain-up areas. Widen and lengthen pullouts. Modify existing sites to accommodate more vehicles, especially large trucks, reducing overflow onto the travel lanes. Improve grading and drainage. Ensure chain-up areas are as level as possible and have effective drainage to prevent ice buildup, making them safer and more usable. Install high-intensity lighting. Illuminate key chain-up areas to improve safety for drivers installing chains at night and in storm conditions. Develop new, strategically located sites. Identify last chance locations. Place new chain-up areas immediately before the steepest grades and most high-risk sections where traction is absolutely mandatory, e.g., before the final climb to Alta and Snowbird in LCC. Create chain-off areas. Provide safe, designated areas on the downhill side for drivers to remove their chains, preventing them from stopping on steep downgrades where they can lose control. Cost estimate for 3 sites.